I'm going to give y'all a little bit of demonstration of the sound setup I have. It's not the best, and it's definitely not the worst. I've got two four-wheelers. This one here, this is Nadia, the 2008 Suzuki King quad. I've actually got two 6-inch kicker speakers, which is a JBL PRV175. It's actually a marine head unit. It's really a good head unit to have. You can control volume, bass, you can control a lot of stuff just like a little car stereo. Power coming from it is all that I've got running to the speakers. So when it is on volume, I think the volume goes up to 45, and when I'm riding, I think I hit about 40 most of the time to keep it above the engine noise. And I have no special exhaust, just a stock exhaust that the spark arrestor has actually rotted out. So it's a little louder than normal, but it's nothing special. So I'm just going to give you a little demonstration of how it sounds, and then the new setup on the other ATV. The other ATV, it's a 2016 Can-Am 650 XMR. The speakers, I actually can't remember the actual name of them. They're 8-inch speakers. They run about 300 watts. I think I paid $250 for the pair. And I'm running a SoundStream slim amp. It's about 3.5 inches wide. I've actually got it in a pod I built up underneath where the radiator would be at normally. So it is actually a Bluetooth amp. So basically it just powers through your radio, or through your phone, excuse me. And that's it. That's pretty much everything it needs to run. But we'll hear a difference in the sound for it. I've already got this one started up. Basically all I'm going to do is crank it up a little bit. So that goes at 40, 45. You can tell it's not really that loud, but it does what it needs to do. I haven't had a problem with it. I could use a little more volume. It does sound good though, so I like it, but I wanted something more. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this one off and go ahead and switch it over to the other setup. Alright, so I got the Can-Am running. I've already paired up with my phone on this one here. I'm going to start it off. And of course it starts at the end of a song, so let me turn that back down. I'm going to put the same song back on. And you can hear this is all stock. It's just got a louder exhaust as it is. So
you say you can the girl wanna be with us now. I heard she said she want a mud digger.
And you can probably tell a big difference.
We keep our steady roaring while we ride down. Mud digger, and I keep a bad truck around. Big
normally I would have this phone sitting up here.
Mud digger, and my Chevy sitting on 44s. Pipes, hotter than glass pack, straight pipes, y'all know. Mud digger, if y'all don't know how the mud digging goes, and get a couple of tickets to a mud bogging show.
Hot damn, it's your boy Colt Ford on this bitch in a rocky ridge.
And a big difference in the sound. A lot of bass. Probably can't hear that through the phone, but it sounds really good. Neighbors gonna be out in a minute, echoing off the house.
Ask anyone around here, they tell you what's up. We some
mud digger. We keep the mud by the pound.
So that's just a little bit of a difference. Overall, the price might have been about $100 difference between the two setups. That's about it. Nothing else really to say about it. Thanks.